Okay, your next element right out of that squat balance are your lunges. So I'm going to turn to the side so you can see them. Now your lunges, you have to close your rib cage. So you're going to drop your tailbone back, put your hands on your ribs, pull your navel back and move your hips under your ribs, but do this without squeezing your butt. Keep your glutes relaxed. Now watch me first. You're going to step down into a lunge and then replace your foot. We're going to stay on the same side and we're going to do 20. In 4, 3, 2, stepping down. Step down, push down, 1. All the weight stays in the other leg. 2, step down. 3, shoulder, ribs, and hips stay in the same line. 4, try to keep it right over your knee. 5, step down. 6, step down. 7, step down. 8, step down. 9, step down. 10 more. Step down. 1. Push the floor down. 2. Keep your upper body lifted. 3, 4. Push down as the navel comes back. 5, 6. There's very little weight on the back leg. 7. That's 8. One more time. And 10. Then you would do the other side.